be honest. One of the first things we all do when we get in our cars is start fiddling with temperature controls, right? Maybe your vehicle only has manual climate controls. But even if it has an auto mode, sometimes you just want to do it yourself. So for all you control freaks out there, here's the how-to on the hot and cold, and all the different ways you can do it. Single-zone vehicles usually have rotary controls. Right is warmer and left is cooler, and fan speed always increases when you turn the dial to the right. These controls are always centrally located in the center stack, so both driver and passenger, for better or worse, have easy access. In vehicles with 2 or more climate zones, you'll have separate controls for driver and passengers. This way, you can each set your own temperature and hopefully still like each other when you get where you're going. Depending on your vehicle, you may have hard controls only or on-screen controls too. Either way, you can adjust temperature and fan speed independently. The air conditioning button engages, well, air conditioning, but you can still control the temperature yourself. So, if it's not that hot but still kinda humid, turn the AC on and the temperature up. Now, recirculation mode blocks outside air from entering the cabin. Perfect for those drives through the country that can engage multiple senses at once. And if you want to defrost your windshield and side windows, you gotta use the defrost mode. By the way, you'll get the best results by using maximum blower and temperature settings. Plus, you can de-ice your rear window with this guy right here. So, it's nice to be able to set an exact cabin temperature of 71 degrees Fahrenheit, but there are plenty of times when you just want it warmer. And while it may feel like the perfect temperature is just out of reach, your manual climate controls are right at your fingertips.